Do you agree with this book that is being taught with kids that babies are racist?
Senator, I do not believe that any child should be made to feel as though they are racist.
Well, that book Senator Ted Cruz was asking Supreme Court nominee Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson about was written by a graduate of Florida A&M University. It's called Antiracist Baby. Ibram X. Kendi wrote it. ABC 27's Shanice Archer shows us how that exchange in Washington is having an effect on the book's popularity. She joins us from FAMU.
Dr. Ibram X. Kendi graduated from FAMU in 2004. This week's Supreme Court hearing has his book rocketing to the top of the charts. Following the exchange in the Supreme Court nomination hearing Tuesday, Dr. Kendi tweeted, "You know Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson has impeccable credentials, and you know you're doing the work when Ted Cruz questions her about your books since he can't touch her record." Dr. Kendi published the book nearly 2 years ago. After Senator Cruz brought it up, it's now #1 on Amazon's best-selling book list. FAMU professor Dr. Tiffany Packer says Dr. Kendi's book has been proactive, changing the way we think about race.
We don't come into this world being, conscious of race or the differences between people. So when you teach younger people that people are indeed people, human beings that function in real time, then that, of course, will impact how they understand people as they become adults.
Dr. Packer says having these kind of books is the right step when having these difficult conversations. Conversations that reach from the highest of 7 Hills all the way to Washington. In Tallahassee, Shanice Archer, ABC 27.
And Dr. Kendi's next 2 books are coming out in June. They are called How to Raise an Anti-Racist and the picture book, Goodnight Racism. Taking a closer look at the author, Dr. Kendi's bio, it says that he is now a professor of humanities at Boston University. He is the youngest winner ever of the National Book Award for writing Stamped from the Beginning. And in 2020, Time magazine named Dr. Kendi one of the 100 most influential people in the world.